future is the journey of slow learner student from zero to hero. The only golden rule for this is that you should always follow your teacher's advice. I am just a meditator who takes the story forward. सर्वमंगलमांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते सर्वमंगलमांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते नारायणी नमोस्तुते. Dear students, all of you are being very well in every sector of knowledge except Mandavati.
Guruji, he is like that only. He never listens to anyone. Very, very unfortunate guy.
Guruji, he is having a bad habit of neglecting his studies. Rather, he is always thinking his stupidity.
Yes, I agree with this. It's better that we should call him Muttonhead. Muttonhead! Shiva, 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 Shiva. Shantam, Papam, Shantam, Papam. We should honor Mandavati by this right. Guruji! Oh my God! Here comes the Muttonhead, whose brain is loaded with lots of loads. Never he regrets, nor he repents. All he is ready to destroy his future.
Stop this nonsense. Mandavati is your Guru. Though he is a slow learner, but he is a very good person. You should never let him down.
We are sorry, Guruji, but Mandavati is always being a person to laugh at.
Guruji, I don't mind it at all. After all, they are my brothers, and I respect them. I know they laugh at me as I'm very slow in studies. So nice of you. You should learn such humble qualities from Mandavati. He is a slow learner, but he is a very good person. You should never let him down.
But Guruji, Mandavati never followed your advice and did try to learn such shlokas, mantras and Vedas. Guruji, whenever you ask him to study, he pays no heed. He is not punctual about his studies.
I accept all your allegations, but I like something different, like nature, flowers, plants, animals, birds. Actually, nature teaches us lots of things.
Dear Mandavati, such things never help to earn bread and butter. Rather, I will make a bold statement that we four will make Guruji proud of us one day, except you. We will live a life of luxuries in future. But what about you? Guruji, Mandavati is going to defame our ashram's reputation.
Dear Mandavati, why hadn't you studied seriously in this year? Remember, your good qualities proved to be good when you have good knowledge of Vedas and mantras. I am really sorry, Guruji, but I don't like it. I like to wander and understand the nature and its creatures. But I promise you, I will never let you down. I hope so, but the question is, what will happen to you? It is because people know that whoever learned under me never failed in life. My students earn prestige in society due to my preaching and education.
That is my point, Guruji. We all learn a great deal from you and ready to set an example of our wisdom and education to others.
Guruji, we will earn a great dignity and respect in the society due to your guidance and experience.
Let the world know our ashram is the ashram of scholars. Guruji, we thank you for making our life wonderful. We will become new shining stars of your ashram.
Yes, it is very true that all of you will make Guruji very proud, and I am damn sure about that.
You appreciate us, but we are really worried about you, Mandavati. How are you going to survive with this short fall of knowledge?
Dear students, don't bother about Mandavati. I will give him a chance to decide, but it's time to say goodbye. To all of you, as your education is completed. Actually, Guruji, I know you are very keen to teach, but all the time I do plan to escape from teaching by the 10 important works like fetching water, collecting
meeting moods and other things. Yeah, we know this, but what did you do all the time? I take too much time to complete the work, so that the particular day of learning will get spoiled.
This is your secret for not learning throughout this year. You very busy with the work, and I don't mind it at all. So you fail to learn properly.
Mandamati, you are such a mutton head. By giving a reason of work, you ran away from learning. You dishonored our Guruji. You fool!
Hold on, let me tackle my own problem. Mandamati is a mystery for me. It's my fault that I forgot his turn of learning and reciting shloks and mantras.
I am really sorry, Guruji, for my misbehavior. But by giving you the reason of work, I wandered in a jungle, observing the nature, plants, animals. Even I can understand how to learn the nature. Mandamati, what is the use of that? You will definitely become a big slave on our ashram, and that we don't like at all. I am really sorry, Guruji, for not learning properly during this year.
Mandamati, you are very good one. But I forgot to teach you anything properly. I'm so very busy with the ashram's work. But everybody's education is finished, so you have to leave the ashram with others.
Guruji, don't force me to go away. I would love to serve you throughout my life. Don't ask me to leave you.
No, Mandamati, you have to leave the ashram. But before you go, I will give you one good luck chant to recite, and remember, whenever you have the time, recite it.
What is the chant, Guruji? Is it very big?
No, it's a small one. Recite it whenever you have the free time. Is I know. What are you doing?
It's so simple, Guruji. Thank you very much. I know. What are you doing? I know. What are you doing? I know. What are you doing?
Now the actual journey of this disciple begins.
We define education as journey from darkness to light. In fact, this is very true. Acquiring knowledge with common sense must begin with the skill of observation. The next part of the story will explain you the difference between theoretical and practical knowledge. Let's see. We are the sun and the stars of the universe. We are the guardian of knowledge. We are the moon of the day. We shine like crown of diamond. The world will be empty without us. It will become pretty with us. We are the scholars of today's. We are the scholars. We are the scholars. Brothers, we completed our education under our great Guru Vidyananda Ji. Now it is time to prove the metal of our knowledge to the world. I agree with you, brother. We will skill in different subjects. If we work hand in hand, then there are good opportunities of earning fame and money. Let the world must know our abilities. We are highly trained and educated, so we can fix up anything, even dead body too. Yes, it is due to our knowledge of Vedas and mantras. Brothers, but I am unable to do anything. What can I do at that time? Don't worry, muttonhead. Stay with us and serve us as your masters. By doing this, you can earn your bread and butter for life. Why should I serve you? Guruji had given me a mantra, and I am now fulfilling it. It will help me to earn my bread and butter. Oh, your mantra. I know. What are you doing? I know. What are you doing? It will not work to earn prestige, fame and honor in the society. So you must serve us. Just in the wisdom of our Guruji. He is never failed in his life, and he is never failed you to me also. I know what are you doing. Oh my gosh! What is this? What is this, Simata? Look here, the dead body of an animal. Yes, it's a carcass. What did make you to get surprised?
This is a dead carcass of lion died due to hunger.
How do you know that?
I know because I wander in a jungle. Even I can understand the things just with the help of observation.
You butterhead! Are you trying to frighten us? Your monkey tricks won't work here because we are wise and intelligent. So we will make this creature alive.
I beg you, please don't do that.
Shut your mouth, you butterhead! With my knowledge, I will reconstruct all these bones together. One here, and this stand here. Jai Gurudev! Om Bhat Swaha! I have the power to set all these bones to be covered with flesh and blood. Jai Gurudev! Om Bhat Swaha! Now it's my turn. With the blessing of our Guru and power of mantras, I will cover the whole world with skin. Jai Gurudev! Om Bhat Swaha!
Just wait, Acharya Guru. Before you set this dead animal into life, let me hide somewhere else. I warn you not to do this. You will be responsible for further consequences. Please listen to me. Don't restore this life back to life.
You coward! It proves that your head is filled with nonsense ideas. Once the lion will be back into life, it will be all okay. Om Neem Om Klim! Jai Mahakal! Om Bhat Swaha! Wow! Ohana! Put me back into life! Wow! We are the new scholars of the world. The new era of magic, wisdom and intelligence is going to begin due to us only. That I don't know anything. I died due to hunger. And now I'm in a great need of food. Wow! You need food? Okay, go and hunt yourself. But before you go, you should thank us. Because we are your creators. But I didn't ask you to put me back into life. Why do you haven't tasted human flesh? Now, you humans are going to become my human flesh is too much delicious. Now I can go happy. Wow!
Oh my dear brothers, what have you done yourself? I warn you, but you neglected my advice. Having a position of intelligence doesn't mean that you are clever, but it should be accompanied with common sense. Intelligence and common sense work like the miracles, but unfortunately, no one gives importance to common sense because it will say that the common sense is not so common.
I have a great aspiration for becoming a good ruler of kingdom. So, I must seek information rather by inquiring or else. I must go among the people to understand their troubles. I make up my mind to go in disguise and learn about it. Let's call Prime Minister!
The Prime Minister of
Why did you call me here in jungle? Mr. Prime Minister, I need to know about my people, whether they are happy with my role. Your Majesty, what do you want to know? I have full information about it. Actually, I believe in facts rather than seeking information from the sources. Information clears the statistic, but self-experience based on facts were an eye-opener. Very well, Your Majesty. You are very wise and rule the kingdom nicely. But believe me, everything is going smooth and fine. So there is no need of your feeling to the kingdom in disguise. I believe in you, but I want to learn more things which will make my people happy. So I have decided to go among the people to understand their troubles. If the king will come to know about highly imposed taxes on people and my corruption, he will kill me or remove me from the post. I must stop him doing this, or else murder him. Ha 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 ha. Okay, Your Majesty, if you don't
हॅलो हॅलो
without paper, I'm
हां बोला की
worried about. Don't
हो
bother about
आहे
it.
तिथंच
I'm able to handle any situation. Okay, Your Majesty.
चालू झाले हां चालू झाले हां निम्मं झालं निम्मं झालं थोडं राहिले हो चालेल
I see something. They are popular. What they are doing? The young man inside the lonely hut. I must hide somewhere. Let's see what will happen. Brother, today our luck is very happy with us. We are the people and no one came to know. Big brother, our luck is really helping us right now too. See the lonely heart. Can we try our luck again? Very well, darling. Absolutely right. We are growing up now. Let's go for it. We will complete our target today by robbing this herd. Big brother, I think there is only one person inside the herd. So it will be very easy. Actually, we don't need to rob for 2 months. That much amount we collected today. This is our last robbery of today. Come on, let's go. I know what are you doing. I know what are you doing. I know what are. Stop. Oh my God, Big brother, did you hear something? What is he saying? I know what are you doing. I know what are you doing. Oh my God, Big brother, the man inside the herd knows what we are doing. Holy mother, how is it possible? If we make out, we will be caught. What do you say? Big brother, let's run away from here. Because the man knows each and everything. We must run for life, grab the valuable here so that we can trespass. Who is here? Whose bag is this? Yours?
me your chant, I will give 1,000 gold coins to you.
I don't know who are you, but I am happy with this bag.
Young man, I am the king Vikramaditya and I am very keen to learn chant.
I am sorry, Your Majesty. I didn't recognize you. Okay, I will teach you the chant, but promise me, practice it regularly.
I promise. Now tell me the chant. Just you have to say.
I know what are you doing.
I know what are you doing.
I know what are you doing. This much only.
Okay, thank you for the set. Here are your gold coins.
I am rich now. Jai Gurudev.
My body. Om sweet home.
Long live the king. Your Majesty, I am at your service.
Wait for a minute. I am just coming. Today you have to massage me.
Your Majesty, this is your last day of life. Ask me anything today. I will fulfill your wish. Sir, are you ready? Your Majesty, can I sharp the razor for 2 minutes?
Do it fast. I have a lot to do today.
After this, I won't work anymore because I am going to be rich now.
This young man takes too much time. What can I do? Oh, stand up, young man. I know what are you doing. I know what are you doing. I know what are you doing.
Please forgive me, Your Majesty. I am not the culprit.
What had happened to you? Why are you begging to me?
Spare my life, Your Majesty. I was bribed by Prime Minister for killing you while shaving.
What are you talking? Did you lose your mind?
Forgive me, Your Majesty. I was ordered to this, but I don't know how you came to know my plan.
How did you decide that I know your plan?
Your Majesty, you are really clever. You are studying lot of time that I know. What are you doing?
Oh, that the chant of young man saved my life. Arrest the Prime Minister and call that and man disrobe of word.
Your Majesty, have you summoned me? Your Majesty, if my student did anything wrong, on behalf of him, I beg your pardon.
Oh no, no, no. You are making mistake. Actually, this young man saved my life and I have planned something.
Your Majesty, I know. What are you planning?
Holy Mother, how did you know my plan again?
Your Majesty, what is your plan?
Today, I am Vikramaditya, the king of Saranpur, declared the new Prime Minister is Guru Vijayananda's disciple, Mandamati.
Wow, me? The Prime Minister? Amazing! Still I know.
What are you doing? Teachers are the real gem of our life. But we need to have faith and trust in the wisdom of our teachers. They are the lighthouse for ravished minds of students who has the ability to do wonders in students' lives. But still we all